Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to grade 9 ICT textbook explanation video series. Next video. Last week we discussed the basic theories related to uh, preparation of computer specification. Today we can continue from the point which is stopped. Today we have to discuss about identify the user. Before we move into the lesson, I'll show you a presentation which I have created to give the basic concept. Okay. Okay, this is the diagram for computer system. Basically, we can divide computer system into 4 categories: hardware, software, liveware, and firmware. Hardware means physical devices of the computer. Software means the instruction set is stored in the hard disk to complete our requirements or various tasks. Softwares can be divided into various categories. One of them is system software and application software. Next category is liveware. Liveware means the user who is using the computer. Liveware is the user. Liveware can be a IT teacher, software engineer, or graphic designer, or any user. If a little child playing a computer game using the computer, we can consider he or she is also as a liveware. Okay, next one, firmware. Firmware is also an instruction set, but it is little bit different from software because firmware is stored in the hardware. It means in a chip in the motherboard, probably in the ROM of the motherboard, ROM in the motherboard, in the chip of the ROM chip of the motherboard. Then we can divide hardware into basically 5 categories. Input devices. Through the input devices, we can input data to the computer. Output devices. Through the output devices, we can retrieve the data from retrieve information from the computer. Storage device. We can use storage devices to store data temporarily or permanently. We can use RAM as well. We can use hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD devices like. Then after control and processing devices, we can use control and processing devices to convert data into information. It means for processing tasks, we can use control and processing devices. Next hardware devices, networking devices. Using networking devices, we can communicate our data and information to other destinations. Those are the basic elements of computer hardware. Now we can consider about liveware. Actually, liveware is the user. Liveware is the user who is using the computer. Now we can move into the ebook again. In here, we can see the one who uses a computer is generally referred as a user. It means the liveware. Different users working in different areas in information and communication technologies have different designations. The following table shows few such examples. In this, through this table, we can identify about users, some of the basic users. Programmers are developed computer programs. It means related to a specific task. Programmer can develop a program. Think that we want to create a program for food city, then programmer can develop a program for food city. Then after network administrator can manage and maintain computer network. In our office, there can be a network administrator. In our school or in our university, there can be a network administrator to manage and maintain computer network. If there is a trouble, if there will be a trouble in our computer network administrator will solve them. Then after system analyst will design as well manage and develop. Design information system. Especially system analyst is related to business-based IT. Then after software engineer, develop software, because a software engineers can have more practical and theoretical knowledge than programmer. So many tasks can be done by software engineers. Then after computer application assistant basically uses Office application package for office related tasks. And if there is staff working in our office, we can consider him he or she as a computer application assistant. Basically, office he or she will complete office-based tasks in our institution. Then after web developers will develop and maintain websites related to web developing tasks. The user is web developer. As well, we can consider also graphic designer, IT teacher, student. So many users we can consider, though they have not mentioned in this table. Through this table, now you have good understanding about users of the computer. It means the library of the computer according to the various tasks. According to the user, the specification of computer can be different. As an example, if we considered graphic designer, graphic designer's computer should have good graphic card, as well good storage devices, as well good memory to complete graphic based tasks. If we consider computer application assistant, the normal level computer with a normal level computer will be enough to complete office application based tasks, as well according to the according to their task. The requirement of the computer, actually the specification of the computer can be different according to the user. That is the main thing which we want to understand through this section. So in next section we can consider about selection of a computer to suit user requirement. As we discussed in this video, if a graphic designer, what are the user requirement and how can we select a computer for a graphic design? If there is a student who required a computer, what are the requirement for a student? If he or she is a software developer, we can consider the requirements of software engineer, software developer. Okay, through the next video we can discuss about those things. As well, I always recommend you to join with Ninaro class to discuss and also to participate to our Viva as well other test, and to get 90 plus A result. As well, other students also can use our WhatsApp support service premium. It's a premium service starting from $1. Ninaro students can Ninaro student have a chance to use that opportunity for free of charge. So if you have any doubt regarding this lesson, you can send me a WhatsApp message and solve your problems. And till we meet again to the next video, have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.